Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna discuss about some basic components of spoken English. If you want to be fluent and expert in spoken English, if you want to be qualified in IELTS exam or uh, any type of competitive examination in your spoken English part, you must watch this video lesson. Because if you are weak in English basic level, you cannot improve or you cannot learn advanced English. So you must watch this video lesson and you must be connected with this YouTube channel, because you will get every components or every ingredients, every elements of spoken English, of improving your freehand writing English, of improving your fluency. So this video lesson is all about your development of basic level of your English spoken freehand writing. Above all, everything or every ins and outs of English, uh, primary level to advanced level. So I hope you will be enjoying this video lesson. Let's get started.
Dear viewers, today I'm going to discuss about phrases and idioms with meaning. And here I have written some important phrases and idioms for your spoken English and for your competitive examination. These phrases and idioms are very common in university admission test and freehand writing, and also for important for your IELTS examination. So I hope if you watch this video lesson completely, you must get some important ideas about phrases and idioms, and you will understand how to use phrases and idioms in making sentence. So let's enjoy this video lesson till the end. First one is Gala Day. That means a day of happiness. Every moment is a matter of happiness. If you have any incident of happiness, you can write here that my birthday is a gala day for me. So I have here written the 26th March is a gala day for the people of Bangladesh. The Independence Day of any country is a gala day for the people of that country. Number two is get by heart. That means memorize. To memorize something is called get by heart. Get by heart. The another name of get by heart is learn by heart. Students should learn any topic by heart. That means students should learn anything seriously, and that any topic should be learned by any students completely for their future. Number three, golden age. That means the perfect time of your life or of any moment, and this is called the moment of flourishment. Flourishment. The time of Elizabeth was the golden age in English literature. You know, the students of English literature know that there are several periods of English literature, and medieval period and primitive period, and Elizabethan period is called the golden age of English literature. Number four, go to docs. Go to docs means to destroy or to degrade. When any person is going to destroy, that moment is called that this person has already gone to docs. Here the sentence is the only boy of the parents has gone to docs. For drug addiction, always takes anybody to the destruction. Number five, get rid of. Get rid of means to be free from anything. Government should take steps to get rid of poverty. There are many countries in the world, most of the countries are poor. So the government of that country should take steps to get rid of poverty or to get rid of addiction, drug addiction. Number six is gain a ground. That means to progress. উন্নতির দিকে যখন কোনো কিছু যায় সেটাকে বলা হয় the way of progress. If you work hard, you will gain a ground gradually. So we know that industry is the mother of success. So we must work hard to gain a ground gradually. Number seven, get clear of. That means to avoid anything or to avoid anybody. We should try to get clear of the drug addicted. That means we must avoid the persons who are drug addicted. Number eight, golden opportunity. That means excellent opportunity or excellent time of our life. We should not miss any golden opportunity. Number 9, go well. That means to get uh, any golden opportunity or দিন ভালো যাওয়া, that means to get the good days. To get good days is called go well. If you are industrious, you will go well. Number 10, give up the ghost. That means to die. The dying patient gave up the ghost in the hospital. That means the dying patient died in the hospital. Number 11, gift of the gap. That means talent of speaking, talent of speech, delivering speech. Our principal has gift of the gap. 12, get into a mess. That means indiscipline. When anybody falls in indiscipline, it's called get into a mess. The man has got in a mess. So get into a mess for his mistake. That means the person has got into indiscipline for his own mistakes. 13, give ear, be attentive or give attention to anything. All the students should give ear to their study. That means students must be attentive to their study. 14, go hard. Disadvantages. The poor will go hard if we do not help them. The poor will go hard. That means the poor will find disadvantages in their life if we don't help them. 15, give oneself ear, bhan kora, to pretend. The thief gave himself ear like death. That means the thief pretended to be dead. 16, give effect to. That means make anything effective or to materialize something. The law has not yet given effect to. That means the law has not been materialized or has not been published. 17, hold on tongue, বাধা দেয়া, to refrain from speaking the truth or to refrain from speaking anything. You should not hold his tongue to speak the truth. That means you should not hinder or refrain him from speaking the truth. 18, hold good. Hold good means to be effective, to prove valid. The law will hold good in the long run. That means the law will be effective, will be fruitful, will be perfect in the long run for any person or for any country. 19, hither and thither. Hither and thither means everywhere or everything. Here and there. Here and there. He is searching his pen hither and thither. 20, high time, perfect time or সঠিক সময় যেটাকে আমরা বলে থাকি, perfect time or real time or excellent time. It is high time we stopped smoking. That means this is the time for stopping smoking, and if we don't stop smoking, we'll have to suffer, and we must. It is high time, that means we must here use must as auxiliary verb, that we must stop smoking. There is no alternative of stopping smoking. 21, hand to hand means face to face fight. Face to face fight means real fight or সরাসরি যুদ্ধ. রাশিয়া and ইউক্রেন had hand to hand fight. রাশিয়া এবং ইউক্রেনের সরাসরি যুদ্ধ হয়েছে. রিসেন্টলি ইন্ডিয়া and পাকিস্তান had hand to hand fight. 22, hang fire, to remain undecided. That means অমীমাংসিত. The crisis of Kashmir is hanging fire. That means the matter of Kashmir is hanging fire because Kashmir is the appeal of discord, a matter of conflict between India and Pakistan. So this is called hanging fire or crisis of Kashmir is hanging fire. 23, hang together. That means disagree or disagreement or not agree. India and Pakistan cannot hang together. That India and Pakistan cannot come to the point. 24, hard and fast, specific or fixed. Qazi Nazrul Islam did not like the hard and fast rules of the schools. Most of the students, most of the children don't like hard and fast rules of schools, colleges, or even of their families. স্টুডেন্ট এবং চিলড্রেনরা কিন্তু খুব বেশি ধরাবাঁধা নিয়ম মেনে চলতে চায় না। 25, hard times, that means difficult times, কষ্টের সময়, difficult moments. The people of Palestine are passing very hard times because Israel is always attack on the people of Palestine. 26, hard up, অর্থের সমস্যা, that means crisis of money. When I went to Thailand, I felt hard up. We can also use that the poor people always find or fall hard up. দরিদ্ররা সবসময় সমস্যায় পড়ে, অর্থের সমস্যায় পড়ে। 27, haves and have nots, ধনী গরিব, সুবিধা অসুবিধা, poor and rich. Law does not differ between the haves and the have nots. That means there is no difference in the eyes of law between poor and the rich. 28, head and tail, that means nothing, that nothing, মাথা মুন্ডু, কোনো কিছু যখন কেউ বুঝতে না পারে, when anybody does not understand anything, he can say head and tail. He couldn't understand head and tail of the poem. He couldn't understand head and tail of the poem. 29, head to foot, that means everything or all, সম্পূর্ণ. He was searching from head to feet, head to feet, uh, to get his bag, to get his money back, to get his parcel, anything. 30, hold water, that means clever, বিচক্ষণ হওয়া, or perfect answer. Hold water means perfect or clever or excellent answer. His argument does not hold water. That means his argument is not right. His argument is not correct. 32, horns of a dilemma, danger from the both side, ubhay shankar. Danger from both side is called horns of dilemma. I am in horns of dilemma for the want of money. টাকার সমস্যার জন্য আমি উভয় সংকটে রয়েছি। দ্যাট মিনস আই এম ইন হর্নস অফ ডিলেমা ফর দ্য ওয়ান্ট অফ মানি। And now Ukraine is in the horns of dilemma because they cannot accept the USA and they cannot avoid Russia. 33, hush money, that means to take bribe, that is illegal money. To take illegal money from anybody for giving service is called hush money or bribe. The police wanted hush money to the man. পুলিশ লোকটির কাছে ঘুষ চেয়েছিল। 34, হুই অ্যান্ড ক্রাই, শোরগোল or roar. I do not like the হুই অ্যান্ড ক্রাই of the dogs. যে আমি কুকুরের চিৎকার চেঁচামেচি পছন্দ করি না। I do not like the হুই অ্যান্ড ক্রাই of the city life or city people because there is হুই অ্যান্ড cry always in the city life. Even the midnight is not free from হুই অ্যান্ড cry. Every moment there are lots of traffics. So I don't like it. 35, handpick husband, that means the husband who loves his wife very much. Every woman likes a handpick husband, and every woman loves to have that type of husband who will love her very much, even much more than his life. So every woman likes this type of husband, and they always pray to the God for having this type of husband. And this is called handpicked husband, whose world is always evolves among or around his wife, and he loves his wife more than his life. So this type of husband is called handpicked husband, who loves his wife very much. So these are the 35 phrases and idioms we have discussed here, and I hope you have completely watched this video lesson and you have got how to use phrases and idioms in English sentences, and you have also understood how to use phrases and idioms in your IELTS examination, how these will come in your examination. So if you think that this video lesson was useful and important for you, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And please share this video link with your friends and near and dear ones. So today I'd like to finish here. Thanks for watching.